walking around the building? Shit, she's walking him around.
Around? Hey.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know, I'm just checking
You're
it.
taking a picture of me.
Just go over there.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Just do it, man. Do it.
What is that?
No, really, was it?
What is that?
Is that for me, I'm guessing?
Yeah, you better guess it.
Oh.
It's another box.
I know, right? It's amazing. Yeah, keep opening it, though.
It'd be helpful if I could. Oh my Jesus.
What?
It's an egg.
Yeah, that's what we wanted.
Yeah, okay.
Merry Christmas, Ari.
Mine's from us.
Yeah, you didn't think I would just, like, get my PC and you would
have
get
to put it
crap.
together like Valley has to put his computer together.
Yeah, we're doing that tomorrow. Because my computer's, like, more important than your thing.
No, this is way more important. This is this.
Excuse me.
This is the.
Merry Christmas.
What do I think? It's an ATV. I wanted an ATV since my friend told me that he had an ATV and I got jealous.
Well, you're not jealous, you were envious, but pointed.
ATV.
Grab the DVD.
Actually, that is jealous, I think. No, wait, you're right. It's envious?
Envious. Because he wasn't scared that he's going to, like, take the ATV away. I mean, what's no ATV?
He's gonna lose his
And
own
this is on
ATV.
camera, why am I talking?
It's important to note these things.
I want a helmet. Did you buy me a motorcycle helmet?
My fingers feel
I
like
guess I'll
I...
buy that by myself. I guess I'll get that motorcycle helmet by myself. I'm gonna use my money for that.
No.
no,
There may be
covered.
some more presents inside.
Maybe.
Okay, then I probably have an entire suit. It's still.
No, but really, we actually do need your help taking motorcycles out. Oh, Dr. Cheeto gifted me Alien Isolation this morning.